Hello and welcome to Khmer Healthy Cooking. Today we are going to cook sugar-less sticky rice.
What ingredient that we have?
The ingredient we have sugar cane juice, coconut milk, sticky rice, sesame and salt.
How do you make it?
The first thing, we add sugar cane juice into a pot. Keep it boiling above 15 minutes to concentrate it. Now it is boiling. Second thing, we add coconut milk into a pot. And mix it well. When it concentrated, we add the salt and mix it well. And then we add a sticky rice. And then we mix it over low heat. Now it is mixed well. So can you spread a little oil into the tray?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
What you do next?
The next thing, we place the sticky rice into a flat tray. Can you hold it for me?
What do you do next?
The next thing, we sprinkle the sesame seed on top of the sticky rice. And we leave it until it cools, so we can cut it into any shape that you want. Now it is cold, so we can cut it any shape that you want. After we cut it, we place it into a plate. This is our sugar-less sticky rice. I hope you guys can make it home because it is easy and yummy. Thank you and Jumrib Lia.